Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use today learn here two command is important command. First is teardrop and second is user flange. Okay guys, today discuss here CATIA lecture 82 is discuss here, and today CATIA sheet metal 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, sheet metal 3D commands is two command is very important. First is teardrop and second is user flange. Okay, one by one discuss here. At first open a CATIA software, and okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and all sheet metal 3D commands is not active. And today discuss here. Okay, at first drawing any shape, and then again this is a active. Okay, at first drawing any rectangle, and this is a center rectangle, and drawing here and mention any dimension. Okay, and this dimension is this. Okay, and this is a 150. Okay, and this is a 110. Okay, exit. And at first click a sheet metal parameters, and sheet metal parameters dialog box is pop up, and you can see here this is a standard, this is a default value is setting here. Thickness is 2 mm and default bend radius is 4 mm. Okay, and this is a okay, and this sheet metal parameters is click okay, then all sheet metal 3D commands is active. Okay, all command is active. And at first click a wall, and this click here, and wall is generated here. Okay, this is a sheet metal. Okay, and this is a sheet, and okay, and today discuss here 2 point is a first is a okay, this is a separate. Okay, two command is discussed here. First is teardrop and second is user flange. Okay, two command is very important. And at first this is a teardrop, and this icon is a bending icon, and this same icon is drawing here. Okay, and teardrop definition dialog box is pop up. Okay, this dialog box is pop up, and you can see here all is you can see here. Okay, this is a length is 10 mm and radius is 4 mm, and increase and decrease all is possible. Okay, this is a spine, and select any edge point, and this is a preview is showing here. Okay, this is a direction is reverse. Okay, and this is a length is increase. Okay, and also this is a radius is increase. Okay, and okay, and also trim support. You can see here this is a this parts is trimmed. Okay, this is a okay, this body is you can see here. Okay, and okay, this is a double click here, and okay, this is a not trim. Okay, this body is edge point. Okay, and direction is reverse direction and upward direction, and this icon is you can see here easily same drawing here. This okay, this is a okay, this is okay, this is a correct. Okay, and one point is also discussed here, this point, and second point is a relimited. Okay, relimited is also, this is a very important point, and you can see here all is a drawing same, but this point is a limit first and limit second is drawing here. Okay, and okay, this is a limit first, right click and this create a point. Okay, and this edge is select here. Okay, this edge is select here, a point is generated here. Okay, this is a point is okay, this is a okay, and again second limit is create a point, and also this line is a create this. Okay, this okay, this point. Okay, and click okay, this is a limit first and limit second is point already, point is created here, and this body is a okay, this is a okay, and this bending, this okay, this teardrop bending is, you can see here easily drawing, and 2 point, first point and second point and first point. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, and also a second is a user flange. Okay, user flange is use this at first, draw any line this face. Okay, and click here. Okay, okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a line is a drawing here, profile is a, this is a this line draw here. Okay, this is a correct, and also draw a simple line. Okay, this is a okay, okay, and some use a corner point first, second. This is corner point is very important, because this bending is not possible, but corner point is very important. Okay, okay, this is a 6 and also 6. Okay, okay, 2 point is coincident, first point and second point control, and this point is a okay, this is a coincident point. Okay, correct, and okay, this point is a, this curve is a drawing here a bending. Okay, and exit, and orange color means this is a selected. Okay, and this white color is not select here. Okay, and this is click here a user flange, and at first drawing a basic. Okay, first point is profile is drawing here, this is a profile. Okay, select a profile, and second is a spine. A spine means this edge. Okay, and select this edge. Okay, preview is showing here. Okay, easily drawing here, and okay, this body is okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, this body is correct, and 2 point is discussed here, teardrop and user flange. Okay, and use a material. Okay, use a material is metal is a bronze. Okay, this okay, this point is a okay, bronze is a okay, this double click here, and okay, this preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct, and this body is also mentioned here. Okay, this is a correct here. Okay, this is a, this body is a correct. Okay, this is a also okay, okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a nice, you can see here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, Okay, this is a correct. Okay, apply. This is a perfect. This body is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this plane is hide. This plane is also hide. Okay, this is a okay, this plane is, and this is also hide. Okay, and this isometric is drawing here. This is a correct. Okay, okay, this body is perfect, drawing here, zoom in. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this face is select here. Okay, this is a drawing a circle. This is a face is select here. Okay, and exit, and some use a this is a this point curve mapping, and select and construction. This is a okay, this is a okay, and use a cutout. Okay, this is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and also super looking here. This is a perfect. Okay, perfect. Okay, okay, guys, next lecture is coming soon, and I hope you will learn this command is easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.